This is a male lab mix, and he came in as a stray on March the 14th. He's a very friendly, playful, loving dog. He would make a great addition to any family, wouldn't you? Yes, he's a very nice boy.
Give me howdy. Give me howdy. 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 No, howdy.
Let's see if he'll sit again.
Sit. Sit. Sit, big boy. Sit. Sit.
Will you sit again? He sat earlier for us.
Sit.
He's a nice boy.
He won't be sit now.
But he is here at the Rutherford County Animal Control waiting to be returned to owner, adopted, or rescued. Gorgeous.
Oh, it's a white on. They got beautiful.